In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to print using AirPrint on your iPhone on your HP Envy printer. Now, the first and most important prerequisite of this video is that for AirPrint to work, for us to be able to print from our phone's default Apple settings to this printer needs to be connected to the same Wi-Fi that the phone is connected to. So that's the first thing we're going to do in this video. Now, this applies to all HP Envy printers, not just the one I'm using. If yours looks like this and has this screen, this applies to you. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to set up this printer on the same Wi-Fi as my phone. Now, if you have the app set up already, that means you've done it, and that's fine. But if you don't have the app set up, it's a bit long. So I'm going to show you a quick way to put this on the same Wi-Fi so then we can avoid using the HP app. I'm going to click menu here. And something I recommend, if your thing is is a solid blue, that means it's already connected to a Wi-Fi or your Wi-Fi. So then you might already be able to do the AirPrint. What we're going to do is we're going to go to settings in menu and then network, and then Wi-Fi, and then we're going to click start on Wi-Fi setup, okay? And what this is going to do, this is going to search for routers if you're American, around you, and then we're going to put in our Wi-Fi password. So my Wi-Fi, let's see if it comes up. It doesn't seem to be coming up right now. Okay, so I will say my printer there actually couldn't find it for a second. So what I did was I unplugged the printer from the power and I plugged it back in, and I went back through I pressed start, did the network setup, and it found my Wi-Fi. So it's Frenzy Tony. I'm gonna type in my password for you guys here. I'll be back when it's done. Okay, so I've typed in my password. I'm going to press OK and then submit. I'm gonna press OK again. And so this, what is it going to do? Again, this is going to connect the printer to the same Wi-Fi that my phone is on. And when your printer is connected to the same Wi-Fi as your phone, you then get access to the Apple AirPrint features. And so here we go, connection successful. So let's prove that this AirPrint hopefully works. So we can press home now. And we can see that the Wi-Fi button is a solid blue, which means it's connected. And so now I can head over to the Files app on my phone. Right, and remember, we're not even using a HP app right here. I should be able to hold on to this. I should be able to open this up, I believe. So this is just an example document over here. And I believe I can press this and then print. And it says no printer selected, but look, here it is, the HP Envy printer. And this is using Apple AirPrint. And this works for photos as well. I'm going to click print now. And hopefully that should send the job out through the printer in just a second. I'll come back when that's done. You can see now it is actually printing the document. And there we go, guys. We did that without the need of downloading a HP app. We didn't need to create any account or anything. It's just doing it. So I'll come back when that is fully printed, just to show you guys that it's printing as well. You can low-key see it coming out over there. And there we have it, guys. Like it says, like and subscribe. This is a document I printed using AirPrint. And that's everything for today's video, guys. If this video helped you, please help me out by subscribing and liking. If I hit 1,000 subscribers, I can earn a bit of money from helping people. That is a dream of mine. Now, if you need to buy any accessories or things for this printer like ink, paper, or even a better printer, click the link in the description. It's a trusted supplier that supports us as creators too if you use them. Have a fantastic day. Check out our channel if you have any other issues with this printer, and goodbye.